Go live. So hello again, how are you all doing? It's your mathematics teacher Murad Sultan. We did the pioneer in math is now is to continue revising with you, okay, through the free online math, okay, and I wish through this revision at least I will answer you some questions and answer you, okay. So we told that we are going to solve some questions, okay, taken from the previous findings of IK, and through this revision I wish all the learners from Sultan of Oman or outside this country will be helpful and useful for them to reduce their problems. Okay, again is Murad Sultan is with you. Okay, thank you. Okay, now we just continue. We just start revising. We have two questions. Okay, the first question is differentiate f of x equal x plus 3 all squared plus 2x minus 1 with respect to x. The four learners I will just start solving. Okay, I will just make like that. Okay, and I will now learners I will insert equation. Okay, if f of x is equal to I will insert her in equation insertion. Go to equation like that. Okay, I will insert we call that okay, like that. F of x is x plus 3. Okay, is x plus 3. Okay, all squared raised to the power 2. Then plus 2x minus 1 plus 2x minus 1. This is my origin function. I'm going to find the let's say gradient function, means the first derivative of the function. Okay, I'll just write f of x is equal to, okay, this is my function learners. Okay, I'll just write like that. Okay, and I will make bigger so you can see it. Okay, like that, 80, 20. Okay, now learners, to differentiate this, first of all we should know that if okay, I'll just write something for you here. If we suppose that okay, I will write it here. Okay, if we suppose that f of x is equal, or y is equal to x, or f of x in general, f of x to the power n, okay, raised to the power n. Therefore the first derivative of the function, okay, this is n. Okay, therefore learn the first derivative of the function is that I will write now okay, y dash. Okay, I will make like that, y dash. Okay, y dash, this one. Okay, means the first derivative of the function. Y dash means dy with respect to x, dy with respect to x, which is in fact equal y dash. Okay, y dash, okay, between parentheses of the variable x that I'm going to differentiate it is equal, it will be equal to, and this is the formula, f of x, okay, f dash of x, okay, multiplied by the function raised to the power n minus 1. Okay, multiplied by f of x, of x to the power, we told to the power x minus 1. Okay, This is the formula that I will use. I will just cut this if it is possible. Okay, cut this. I will make here to the power n minus 1, n minus 1. Okay, between parentheses, this is the function in general, how to differentiate the function like that. Because you can see that x plus 3 squared, it seems like to be a function raised to the power n, which is f of x is x plus 3. Therefore, learners to solve this question, it's very easy for you, okay, to start like that. First of all, the first derivative of x plus 3 all raised to the power 2, it will be 2 times the first derivative of x plus 1 is 1, means 2 times 1 times x plus 3 all to the power 2 minus 1. I'll just do this like that. Therefore, dy with respect to x in fact is equal, okay, which is f of x. Therefore, I'll just write this here is equal in fact to equal, we told is 2 times 1, okay, 2 times 1, simply because the first derivative of x plus 3 here there is a 1, okay, but is not written a 1. I will color this one so you can see it, okay. This is the one that I'm looking for, okay. So means that this is the one that I differentiated inside the function. Multiply by what learns? Multiply by x plus 3 to the power 2 minus 1. Multiply by this. Okay. I will make to the power 2 minus 1 means 2 minus 1. Okay, like that. Plus what learners? Plus in fact the first derivative of 2x is 2 plus 2. Okay. Plus 2, and the first derivative of the constant it will be minus 1, so it will be 0. Therefore, learners, if you want to simplify more, it will be like that. Okay, I will just therefore I will write dy with respect to x is in fact equal, I will just write here, okay, is equal to what? Equal, okay, equal, I will just write it here. I will expand this one, okay, like that. Therefore, dy with respect to x in fact is f dash, okay, equal to f dash of f of x, okay, okay. So it will be 2 times 1 is 2. I will just erase this, no need, okay. Then 1 times x is 1x is x, and then plus 3 to the power 1, okay, to the power 1, because 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 2. Therefore, you can expand it to 2x plus 6 plus 2, it will be equal 2x plus 6 plus 6 plus 2, okay, which is equal to 2x plus 8, okay. So this is the last answer. And here between parentheses, this one, the first derivative of the function, it's also called a gradient function, okay. And also it's called the first derivative of the function. Therefore, this is the solution, my learners. I wish that you got the point.